Ready to unleash the power of your brand new PlayStation 5 and experience gaming like never before? Then follow along as we guide you through connecting it to your TV for the ultimate visual and audio experience. First, grab the included HDMI cable. This is your lifeline to incredible visuals. Plug one end into the HDMI port on the back of your PS5. It's clearly labeled, so you can't miss it. Now head over to your TV and locate its HDMI ports. Ideally, you want to use an HDMI 21 port if your TV has one, as it supports higher resolutions and refresh rates for the smoothest gaming experience. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into your chosen port. Next, connect the power cable to the back of your PS5 and plug it into a wall outlet. Make sure it's a secure connection. Time to fire it up. Press the power button on your PS5. You should see the PlayStation logo appear on your TV screen. If not, double check your HDMI connections and make sure your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. Once the PS5 is on, navigate to the settings menu. It's the little gear icon. From there, go to screen and video and then video output. Here, you can adjust the resolution to match your TV's capabilities. If you have a 4K TV, make sure it's set to 4K. Now, let's optimize the sound in the settings menu. Go to sound and then audio output. Choose the audio output device that matches your sound system or TV speakers. Experiment with different audio formats to find what sounds best to you. And that's it. You've successfully connected your PS5 to your TV. Now you're ready to dive into the amazing world of PlayStation gaming with optimal visuals and immersive audio. Enjoy.